Would you be my Mr. Done, the done, done? I still got a lot of shit to learn.
This lockdown sucks. But despite being unable to meet up with friends and other family members, we have somehow managed to survive and learn. For those of you who don't know, I had a pretty nasty sporting accident about 6 years ago that left me unable to play most sports without risking my injury getting worse. However, one sport that I have always loved was mountain biking. We got these bikes during the winter, but the first time we rode them it was rather slippy and icy. Regardless of this incident, we pushed on and practiced more, and I don't mean to toot my own horn here, but I believe we've started to get pretty good.
Ah, it's all jaggy. Ah. Ow, ow. It's so jaggy. Ow.
Fortunately, where we live in our local area, we're very limited to what trails and stuff we have, and neither me or Becky have the option of driving at the moment because driving tests and everything have been put on hold again because of the lockdown. Unfortunately, in our area, we've only really got 2, 3, perhaps 4 trails that we can actually ride our bikes along, which still gives us practice, yes, and it's still fun to do, but it's not ideal. And every other trail between it is public walkways where you've got members of the public walking their dog or out with their children. Like see here, for instance, you can tell that I've had to go a fair distance to get between trails, and I still have to go through public gates and just to get to the next trail, which is a good 10-15 minute ride away from the first trail. In order to get to the next trail, we have to climb up this steep hill, which again isn't ideal, but some would argue you could probably ride down this on a suitable enough bike. But I ride a hardtail at the moment, so I think I might pass on that for just now.
So badly.
After pushing up for a good little while, you eventually come to the trailhead. Now, this trail is only known on Strava as Zoomies. There's no actual trail signs or anything like that, so it's obviously been written by someone else. So, this is Zoomies. We have got some urban features like the staircase that can be fun to ride down. And this jump, which is actually the curb coming out of the train station, it's just at the perfect angle to catch some air off of. This here is the last enjoyable trail that I've found in the town. But unfortunately, again, it's a public walkway, so you can quite easily run into different people. And where the trail finishes is not exactly ideal.
I hate this bit. Sometimes you're convinced just to turn back. I think it's safe. Go! Oh, I just hit my handlebars. Oh, go! There's a car behind me. Go, 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 go! You're gonna overtake me coming right up next to a roundabout, you stupid, stupid snowflake.
I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for subscribing, and I will hope to see you on the next adventure.